Father.
So we are look cool for buy. We are look cool for buy if we go cook the rundown. We are see if we get little cool for buy. The man who sell the coal he is kinda plug out somewhat, you know. He is the work so good in kinda hard here. Nah, hear nobody. Nah, see nobody. Look like.
Smart crackers.
2 bills. See there? Coal. 2 bills bag of coal that. So hopefully this can do what we need to get done, car. It's just a part where I go rush and part a run down. This supposed to can do it. I think we need more than this. $200 for this too. For the worse. So that supposed to can do it, does it? Alright, let's go. We're going home now. So we're heading home. Heading back down the Gulf. Yeah. So that is it for now. Soon blaze up the fire, let you have an idea what we're talking about.
Stay over here. Got that. Ah,
Yummy.
so good.
So good.
So good.
What is this? Coconut.
It's coconut, yes.
Hold on. Oh my god.
I'm gonna save this one.
It's a coconut.
Yes, it's a coconut. I'm gonna put this one in the fridge. As Steve said earlier, we're gonna cook some rundown with some real coconut, dry coconut. I got these coconuts from St. Mary the other day. We went to see her dad. Well, my dad. As it rundown is not the rundown is not the same with the coconut milk powder or the tin milk that you buy. It just does not taste the same. And the oil that this coconut produces, this is so sweet. The oil that this produces for the gravy, you can't get that from the powder. I can't feel comfortable using the powder or the canned milk to make my rundown. I'm catch up the fire now because I use wood fire or coal fire to make my rundown. It don't taste the same on the stove either. For some reason. Now, this is going to take a little bit, but I'm gonna do it. But I won't torture you with this waiting. So I'm going to finish gratering this, and then I'm going to juice it. Just pour a little water on it and squeeze the coconut milk from the coconut, and then I'll get back to you when I'm ready to boil the coconut milk. Now I'm going to use the same coconut shell and a little bit of the husk to catch the fire, and then I'm going to put the coal that we purchased on top of that. Alright, so this is the coconut trash or coconut flakes after I strain out the milk. And this right here is the milk. So this is what we're going to use to make the rundown. And today I'm making salt mackerel rundown. This is mackerel fish. So I'm going to clean that now and remove all of the bones and the head and all of the bones. And then, so I'm going to get the milk going in the meantime. Cool, nice and red, because I don't want my pot to be black. I allow all of the coconut shell and the other stuff that I had in there burn right out, and then I'm gonna put the pot on that now. There you go. This is a piece of the coconut shell. I just washed it, and to prevent the milk from boiling over, you just drop a piece of the coconut shell in there, and that will prevent the milk from boiling over. Because as soon as it starts to boil, the oil, which is the flavor that we want, will flow to the top, and if it boils over, you'll lose all of that. So that's one way to prevent it from boiling over. So this is the salt mackerel when it is all cleaned and flaked. And I'm cutting up some seasoning to cook with this. Along with my rundung, I'll be doing food. This is renta yam that I already peeled. I'm going to show you what I cut this piece off of. And I'm doing that with cornmeal dumpling. We're missing some green bananas, but bananas are short, we were told, so I have no idea that could have been a thing in Jamaica, but it is. So I'm going to be doing just the dumpling and the yam. Let's go check on the milk, see if it starts cutting oil yet. Ooh, nice. I'm not sure if you can see it. I am seeing it on the camera, so I hope you can, but that is oil floating on top. So we're almost ready to get to the good part of this stuff, and I'll be able to move this coconut shell soon. Alright, so let's get the food boiling and come and finish up this dish. This is going down nicely. Now that what you're looking at in the pot, that's called coconut custard. This is thick. So now I'm ready to remove my shell. Coconut shell. Can remove this now. And in my plate here I have mostly veggies from my garden. I have tomatoes, onion, some pimento seed, bell pepper. This is an old scotch bonnet, and some cut up scotch bonnet without the seed, some garlic, and a piece of thyme. Yeah, I think I've covered it. So I'm going to add the seasoning first, and then I'll add the mackerel after. Guys, you should smell this already. As soon as the veggies hit the heat, the aroma arises. It smells so good. Alright, let me allow those to cook a little bit before adding the mackerel. So that's my mackerel right there. I'm going to season with some Maggi seasoning, as well as some paprika for color and a little smoky flavor. So a little bit of paprika. Hold on. And some black pepper. and then just allow this to simmer. That is how we do real Jamaican, authentic Jamaican rundung with mackerel. And you can make this with shad, red herring, saltfish, any fish. You can even make it by itself, vegetarian. Let's add a little more vegetables, some okra, stuff like that, beans, and make yourself a nice Jamaican rundown. Look at that already. 3 minutes and this will be ready. Perfectly done. That is our Jamaican rundung, guys. That's ready. Ready, ready, ready like Freddy. Look at that. Alright, so that is our finished product. That is our Jamaican salt mackerel coconut rundung. Alright, so thank you guys for joining me today. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate each and everyone who watch and subscribe and share and like and leave a comment. I appreciate you. If it is you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead, press that subscribe button, also the notification bell, so you will be notified once I post another video. Like, leave a comment, and always share with your friends, because if you like my videos, chances are they will like it too. Alright, bye bye.